Hi, if you feel your finances are overwhelming, if you do not know where your money is going, or you feel like you are working so hard but you are not making any progress, this video is for you. Hi, special. My name is Linda and welcome to Building Wealth with Wisdom and Purpose. In today's video, I will be talking about how to get your finances together step-by-step version. Most people were never taught how to organize their finances, and because of that, sometimes they assume there's something wrong with them. The fact is, there's nothing actually wrong. We were just not taught, and we do not have a system. And as someone who works with taxes, financial planning, and work with family every day, I see this all the time. Most financial stress does not come from lack of income, but it does come from lack of clarity. And clarity is something we can build. Now I will show you 4 steps of how you can build a financial system. Step 1 is awareness. The first step to getting your finances together is awareness. It is not about budgeting, it's not investing, it is not even cutting expenses. The number 1 thing is awareness. This means knowing how much money comes in each month, and also knowing how much expenses you make. Knowing where each dollar goes is very important. But a lot of people avoid these steps because it feels uncomfortable. But the discomfort of putting your finances together is only temporal. But if you did not put it together, the confusion that comes will last longer. At this stage of awareness, what I want you to do is do not judge yourself. Do not change anything about it, and just simply observe. Observe how your finances are. Let it just be like a picture you are watching. Clarity always comes before improvement. Step 2 is organization. Organization brings structure. Once you know your numbers, the next step is organization. Money needs structure. Every account should have a purpose. For example, 1 checking account for bills, 1 savings account for emergency, and 1 account for your long-term goals like retirement, saving for college, or college fund for your children, or planning to get a house. When money is scattered, stress increases. When money is organized, peace follows. And this is not about having many accounts. It is about being intentional about where your money goes. Step 3 is building a simple financial system. A financial system does not need to be complicated. It just needs to be clear, repeatable, and sustainable. This includes monthly reviews, annual planning, and long-term vision. This is stewardship in action, managing the resources you have with wisdom and purpose. Now, step 4, which is the final step, is setting financial priorities. It is not everything that needs to be done at once. Progress comes from order and not urgency. Getting your finances together means first, stabilizing, second, growing, and third, optimizing your finances. Now remember, stewardship is not about perfection. It is about being faithful with what God has given you. And also, setting your finances together is not one-day event. This is a journey. And the fact that you are watching this video means you have already taken the first step. If you think this video was helpful, please comment, like, subscribe, and share this video with your friends and family. And thank you for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.